Hey, hi guys. This is the continuation of the network video, whatever I have discussed in the previous video tutorial. So I will explain you from the beginning right now again that execution of Java programming. So we will return the Java program using the .java extension file name. Let's say example sample.java that which contains a Java source code. So after compiling the .java file using the Java command, that that compiler will create the same file name and with the dot class extension. The dot class file will contain the bytecode which is machine independable. So it won't depend on the machine understandable whatever the machine understandable set of instruction whatever it may has, but this is a machine independable. So here the JVM job is to understand the bytecode, and the JVM has to convert it into the machine understandable language. So JVM will execute the dot class file and gives the output here. You can say JVM is a machine dependable here. So bytecode is not a machine dependable, but JVM is machine dependable because there might be a different operating system and different process. So if the same bytecode is a machine dependable, then it the same Java program will also might will also have will also be like the same C programming languages. So to differentiate that that Java has a written Java has written one program to convert the bytecode to the machine understandable code. Let's say examples. If you are writing a program in Pentium processor and then compiling that Java file, then it will create the class file. That class file you can execute in anywhere in the world using JVM. So here the here Java JVM is the machine dependable program. So the here the job of the JVM is to convert the dot class file to the machine understandable language. So it won't care of what byte file it has been parsed to the JVM. So JVM is a machine dependable. So dot class file is a machine independable. You can execute anywhere in the world. So that this JVM will understand the what processor it has, what operating system it has, and it will convert the dot class file to the machine understandable code and gives the output here. So this is what the example of the execution of Java programming. So I'll explain in the next slide. So see, write a sample program with class name sample and save it as a sample.java. Whatever I've shown you here is explaining in this slide. So compile the sample.java program using Java compiler command. So compiler will generate the bytecode which is a sample.class. Whatever the file name is the same, the extension will change. The sample.class will contain the bytecode. That sample.class will contain the bytecode which is equivalent to the Java source code. Whatever the bytecode it has generated, it is the same as the Java source code which has been written in sample.java. So microprocessor will not understand the bytecode instructions. So it's that whatever I have shown you, right? See, this bytecode will not understand the machine processor. So this bytecode will not understand the set of instruction what has been in the processor, whatever that C program I have shown you, right? That it won't understand the bytecode microprocessor. So bytecode will understand by JVM. See, JVM is a Java virtual machine which will understand the bytecode and convert to machine understandable code. See, JVM is a program which is written to understand the bytecode instructions, and it will execute the sample.class file and gives output. The JVM job here is to understand the bytecode and to convert it into machine understandable language. So JVM, here the JVM plays a crucial role in executing bytecode by converting machine understandable code, because if there is no JVM, that class file will not be will be a wasteful, because that machine won't understand the bytecode here. So that's why JVM plays a crucial role to convert from bytecode to the machine understandable code. So here you can say JVM is a machine dependable, but bytecode is machine independable. So that's what I've said. That's what I have said shown here. See, JVM is a machine dependable, but bytecode is not the machine dependable. So you can write a Java program, compile it, and you can execute anywhere in the world which has a JVM. So JVM will understand the bytecode and it will convert to machine understandable code. So this is very important concept which interviews interviewer will ask most for the freshers, and also this is very helpful to understand how Java will execute and Java will compile, Java will run the program using JVM. So this is what the explanation for that. So whatever I've said you is Java is with Java is very important for like network level of programming. So is it a secure? Is Java is secure? Yes, you can say it is a secure because uh, there you can say uh, apostrophe this yes, Java is secure because if you send a mail to any other person or to any your friend, any of one of your friend, so the Java will encrypt the data and it will um, uh, send to the other person whoever you have sent. So and then the person only seen by using the secret key. It means their mail ID and the password. So in between that, no one cannot open that mail because it has been encrypted. So the one who has sent you the mail, the one he only sees that mail because while sending the Java will encrypt, and while watching it will decrypt and it will show on the whatever you have sent to the mail. So is Java is virus free? Yes, yes, you can say Java is a virus free because so you can send any files. You can send and you can transfer any files like audio, .jpg, and a lot of files. The virus can affect those files, but virus cannot affect the .txt file. So the class file is as same as the .txt file. So it is a virus free. Yeah, yes, you can say Java is a virus free because of the .class file will not affected by the virus like .text. So this is what I mean to say. So thanks for the day. Thanks, thanks for watching. So visit www.javalanas.in. Thank you guys.